Hi everyone, my name is Hadimara and I want to say a big shout out to Sahd Hali for the Forex for Beginner training is given to us all for free, even though it's priceless because anything that can make you $100, $1,000, even a million is priceless, and I really want to thank him for that. And during this training I really learned a lot. I can't even count it because in the previous courses I've went to, it's not really in depth, just like the way it is in this Forest for Beginner by Asad Ali, and I'm really grateful for that. It has really helped my career in forex trading, even though I'm still using a demo account, and that really gave me confidence in using a real account. So I'm really thankful for that.